Hello, and now I'll be showing you how to use the Thonny program. Okay, Thonny, Thonny, however you want to pronounce that. When you run it, you're just going to see this window, and we have a top area, and mine, I have already saved it once, so it's called lab01.py for Python. And then the shell area in the bottom, that's going to do the output. So if you watch the Raptor video, you remember that it said put. We're going to use print, okay, print, and then we open a parentheses, and then in the back over here we close the parentheses. So what we're printing is enclosed in those parentheses, okay? And then what we're printing, again, just like we had to do in Raptor, we're printing a string of characters. We always put those inside of quotation marks. We put that also inside of the parentheses. And I've typed hello world, I'm Joseph, instead of I am this time, because I'm not a robot. So then again, I'm going to press the play button and run that, right? And it runs, it says it's running it, and then outputs it, and then it's kind of like a console down here, so then I have another console line to be able to do stuff. You can actually type commands directly down here, but we're not going to do that. We're just going to put them up here and put them down there for now. So that's how you use Thonny, and just like in Raptor, I want you to get Thonny running, get it installed on your computer, type the exact same thing that I did, except put your first name instead of my first name. So all your submissions will look a little different. If 20 people turn in I'm Joseph, then you know, you're not going to get the great grades for that. I'm going to check that it matches your name. Okay. So type in your first name, and then get it to print down here by running it, and make sure that you get all the characters right, because even a small mistake sometimes is going to be a catastrophic failure. It's a very simple one though, just one line, print, hello world, I'm whatever your first name is. Okay. Take a screenshot of that and submit that along with the Raptor one for this assignment.